20 Unbelievable Facts You Don't Know About Henry Cavill. 1. Henry William Dalglish Cavill was born on May 5, 1983. 2. He is an English actor. 3. Cavill was born the fourth of 5 boys on Jersey and the Channel Islands, a crown dependency of the United Kingdom. 4. His mother, Marianne, was a secretary in a bank, and his father, Colin, was a stockbroker. 6. Cavill began his career starring as Albert Montagu in the 2002 film adaptation of The Count of Monte Cristo. 7. He would later star in minor and supporting roles in television shows such as BBC's The Inspector Lynley Mysteries, Midsummer Murders and The Tudors before transitioning to more mainstream Hollywood films such as Tristan and Isolde, Stardust, and Immortals. 8. In 2008, Cavill became the face and official spokesperson of the Dunhill Fragrance Collection for Men campaign. 9. He was also cast in the main ensemble of the 2007 Showtime series The Tudors, starring as Charles Brandon, 1st Duke of Suffolk until the series ended in 2010. 10. Cavill would gain further prominence and international fame playing the titular superhero Superman in the 2013 reboot film Man of Steel, which became a commercial success and the highest-grossing Superman film of all time, a role that he will reprise in Batman v Superman, Dawn of Justice and Justice League Parts 1 and 2. 11. In 2015, he co-starred with Armie Hammer in the spy film The Man from UNCLE. 12. He had a minor role in Matthew Vaughn's adaptation of Stardust, 2007. 13. In December 2013, Cavill was named World's Sexiest Man by British Glamour magazine. 14. The same year, Empire magazine placed him 3rd on their list of the 100 Sexiest Movie Stars 2013. 15. In August 2014, Cavill took part in an ice bucket challenge in support of the ALS Association, where he got soaked with 6 large buckets of water, doing the challenge in his full Superman costume. Some media outlets wrote that this was Cavill proving that he is really Superman. 16. Cavill is a spokesman for the Durrell Wildlife Conservation Trust, and an ambassador for the Royal Marines Charitable Trust Fund. 17. He launched the running phase of the Royal Marines 1664 Challenge and took part in the Gibraltar Rock Run 2014. 18. In 2009, Cavill began dating English equestrian rider Ellen Whittaker after they met at the Olympia London International Horse Show. They became engaged in May 2011. In May 2012, they ended their engagement. 20. His dream role is to play Alexander the Great. 19. Cavill lives in Kensington, London.